Cha-cha. Oh, you people of the earth, greetings and salutations to you all. I'm gonna say good morning to you, cause in a couple more days, I'm gonna drop a brand new album called Born for Greatness. It's a long time I don't wanna come live. Yeah? I'm on live and in living colors. See it, right? Yeah. Beautiful people of earth, love and respect, man. Beautiful people of Jamaica, love and respect. Sometimes we see this as miserable Monday, but I call it money making Monday. We'll try to get the ducks in a row and try to emerge prosperous and successful at the end of the week, you know what I mean? Despite the things that you might face in your everyday life, I want to encourage you to be strong. You don't hear from me often, because the last time I used to speak to you, keep up one bunch of slackness, so you have to leave you alone. Yeah, but you leave. You're not leaving alone for long. You come back and reason, because I'm on loving from the pecker, what them call the heart. You know what I mean? All heap of things are going on in my country and sort of thing. I wake up and see a newspaper clipping from a thing called Nationwide News, where our Minister of Finance I tell the people in Jamaica, say a private company named SSL rob up and thief up how much money from people, like Usain Bolt and all them guys there. Them want the Jamaican people now to go back and pay this private company for the money them and them friend them invest and thief up and laugh up. So I want to know how long them will take Jamaican people for food for. And how long we don't sit down and make them shit pound. You have to wake up, because them people don't care about I and I. Yeah? You don't see it. You have to wake up higher. Them abuse you have to stop. I don't know if it's an attempt to wake you up, to make us say we are fool. But if you not try to, if you don't buy for some fool, the store we don't buy from, you're going to have to go bring it back. Because that fool that we want to buy no good. Yeah? When you buy a sensible man and think it was a fool, and I've got to carry it back to the store. Lord God Almighty, if I talk, I weak. But remember, we have to reap what we sow, All man have to reap what them sow. So if you sow good, you reap good. If you sow wickedness, you reap wickedness. If you sow righteousness, you reap righteousness. You're not getting no better than that. You see, people them need economic freedom, they need political freedom, they need all kind of freedom. This man have 400 teachers slated to resign from a tertiary level in Jamaica. So, who the dunce already have got dunce now? I know them are got mad. We not a problem in the world, we not a problem. I don't know. Maybe the market straight this bullshit at all, because I don't want everything to go digital, So maybe they might get you like the teacher and replace them with computer. We don't know. But if they replace him with computer, who stand for benefit? Now the guy Bill Gates again, now he won the patent for all computer software. Microsoft. So just generate money for the rich and rich and rich and rich. And poor people just suffer so. Which we don't have no sense, man. I don't have none neither, I don't want to think I have more sense down, I just have common sense for looking at things. I choose most of the not take the time for looking at nothing. We have to look in it for now. And these are the roles of those who step up on the front line musically for uplift and educate the people them and even put them life on the line. Because we've been buried alive, so we know what it is to die 1,000 deaths. But this shit you have to stop. This bullshit you have to stop. We need real freedom and this social free justice. You see, I see a rob and I take down the people them, when them call me a bury them and them thing there. I don't even know if it's something good or something bad, but I see a movement in play. Like it look well organized, like it all orchestrated. But you can't say, well, for the man who I give them people their money they ensure, protect on their life. Maybe that's a sinister plot as well. So we don't know. But at the end of the day, my people, stay vigilant, no man, and I could get up and lace up a boot. Can't take this no more, I want to know this SSL there. I want to see this building for myself, the rascal. I don't even know where SSL there. I want to see it for myself. To see them location. I want to know why we have to pay them back this money when them never donate to no charity. They have two charities. We have to pay $14 million a month, so this government can investigate. And what kind of investigation costs $14 million to $15 million a month? But the ratty backside, this Jamaican people, we're not a problem. We're not deep shit. We don't smell it. I love you now. I don't stay with you too long. I'm not come for riding up. I come for what on your eye. You understand? The Jamaican future must be determined by good Jamaicans, firm Jamaicans. The future of this nation is at hand. And it's been squandered and our resources are being plundered and the wealth of this nation is being misappropriated. And the people of this nation are suffering immensely and crime is on the rise and it's so terrible. And those who sit at the top, them have the most bodyguard, them surround themselves with the most guns, them surround themselves with the most of everything. They're the common man. Still from 1970s, the change where people are making road a change. We're supposed to have a road from 1980, 1990, 2000. We're supposed to have good road from all them time there. Because a long time Jamaica people are suffer. I just want people, set of people live good in the island and the rest of it are back shit out and hog mouth. Nobody no one talk. Why? The private sector, the school, the teacher, the police. You know? So we need great people to stand up and make them voice be heard. And stop being reactive. And stop thief the resources of this great nation. We have had enough of criminal politicians. We have had enough of people enriching themselves from this great nation while the people live in abject squalor. You understand me? We have had enough. We have had enough of you placing officers on the road to fleece the common man of them hard-earned money through to traffic stop, but you're not paying them a dime. You're not increasing them pay. We have had enough, bro. You know, I now come disparage and cuss and go on, you know, because that is what they want. But let's have a decent conversation that concern the future of this great nation and where we should be and where we are at. You know? Because we're stagnant. And we don't want to make no improvement as a people. We're happy, we talk about things only for a minute and then we turn around and we're back to where we were, even further. You know? We're surrounded by enemies of progress, my people. And until we realize that we are surrounded by enemies of progress, we shall always be surrounded by enemies of progress. Wake up, Jamaica. Wake up. When you yarn and wake up. When you've been sleeping too long. I love you.